What up, though? You already know what time it is. This is newsstorm.x with Red Planet 32, breaking down the money, the power, and the moves happening behind the scenes. And today we are diving deep, and I mean deep, into the digital dollar jungle. Look, BlackRock just made it very crystal clear that stablecoins are here to stay. So let's break this down only the way that newsstorm.x can do it. Number one, start with the announcement. BlackRock, the biggest asset manager in the world, and we're talking about trillions, and I mean trillions of money, dropped a report this week saying that stablecoins are not just a passing trend. Thanks to the new legislation in the U.S., the digital dollar has officially into the next phase. So let's talk about the legislation that they're referring to. Congress recently just passed a bill that basically gives stablecoins legal structure. And that means companies can now issue stablecoins, digital dollars backed by one-to-one ratios by cash or other U.S. treasuries, right? With full confidence, the government won't shut them down, and as long as they play by the rules. It's funny how you can play by the rules that you're making. BlackRock's master plan is simply this. This is not just like fun and games or child's play. They're already deep into the game already. First off, they launched a tokenized treasury fund called the BUIDL. And what that means is pretty much this. Imagine taking the U.S. Treasury bonds and putting them on the blockchain so that you can move them fast and track them instantly. And then use them as collateral for digital assets. It's amazing stuff. And guess what? A new stablecoin just came about called frxUSD, and it's using BlackRock's fund as its foundation. Now, that means that BlackRock's money is literally becoming part of the digital dollar infrastructure, which is absolutely nuts. But wait, there's more. BlackRock's also a chunk holder of the company behind the USDC, right, called Circle. It's the second largest stablecoin in the world, which is crazy to me. And when I say a chunk, I'm talking about 10% ownership, like Circle was paying tithes to BlackRock. So they got some real skin in the game. I mean, they're not just deep, they knee deep. So ask yourself, is BlackRock, are they playing checkers or are they playing chess? Right? Now, here's a good thing, right? While BlackRock is backing stablecoins, BlackRock has not abandoned crypto's OG and Bitcoin. In the same breath that they praise regulation for stablecoins, they reaffirm that Bitcoin's role as a long-term return asset is still in full play. And what does this mean? While stablecoins might be your everyday spendable digital dollar, Bitcoin is still being positioned as your store of value, much like how gold is now, but it's like digital gold now, which is crazy. So now you got stablecoins for speed and stability, and you got Bitcoin for the power and preservation. But BlackRock is not just picking sides, though. They're building the entire battlefield, which is kind of unfair. But the future is still in tokenization. The future is being tokenized. Our kids' future is being tokenized. Look, now this just isn't for like nerdy crypto conversations anymore like we used to do with Your Crypto Daily and things of that sort. But Wall Street has gotten involved now. And these are things we predicted on the Your Crypto Daily shows. Washington's gotten involved. Wall Street's gotten involved. Silicon Valley, they're all converging on it. Stablecoins are about to fuel the next generation of finance, from cross-border payments to decentralized apps to digital banks. And BlackRock is making sure that they're not just participating in the field anymore, or in the field, or in the game, but they're dominating the field now. Some analysts are saying we could see the stablecoin market grow from around $250 billion, which is happening now, to over $2 trillion by 2028. Let's say that again, from $250 billion now to $2 trillion by 2028. That's like 3 years from now, which time is going by so fast, it'll be like tomorrow. So you hear that? That's not just hype. It's not just hype anymore. It's not speculation anymore. It's not about what ifs, but it's a simple strategic trajectory in its finest form. So what does all this mean for us as people who are not BlackRock or have BlackRock money, right? The key to everything is, like I've said before, you got to stay sharp. You got to make your investments with strong conviction. The future's money is being built right now. It's not about if it's going to happen in the future, but it is literally being built right now. So it's not just about Bitcoin anymore, but it's about who owns the pipes, who backs the tokens, and who controls the rules. And BlackRock is that guy. BlackRock is that company, right? They're not just playing games anymore. They're rewriting the game. Well, I hope something was said today to kind of spark your thoughts and your desire to seek out truth. This has been your daily dose of real talk with Storm.X, and I am your host, Red Planet 32. And you already know, keep your eyes open Keep your spirit and your mind guided towards the right things. Keep everything guarded and follow the money. Follow the money trails, and we'll learn more about stuff that's coming in the future when you follow the money. Look, this has sparked some in your thoughts. Follow the show, hit that bell, drop a DM to us or a message or a comment, whatever you guys do these days. And if you're rocking with newsstorm.x, share this episode with your crew. Text it to them, DM it, repost it, because we're here to stay. We build truth through the algorithm. Stay tuned, stay woke, and stay blessed. Planet 32 out.